So I've been working on this animation since early August, and I'm beyond proud to be able to show this off to all of you because I think that this is a pretty cool showpiece. I graduated from animation school back in 2020, and I haven't been working on too many animation projects, but the ones that I have been working on have been kind of large scale, like the one that I'm about to show you guys here. Now, I do like to stream myself every now and then actually working on this project, so if you follow me on Twitch, then you probably have come across some of these streams and have been able to see my progress as I have been drawing and animating and just doing that kind of thing, and even doing some special effects work. So now for this project, I want to say that I was able to hire some fantastic voice actors for this work, a fantastic 3D modeler, and a great composer as well. So I wanted to thank these folks right off the bat, of course, for all of their hard work. They were great for sure, so thank you so much. And I would also like to say that I did the animation, the coloring, the shading, I did the special effects, I did the editing for it as well, and just putting everything together. So it was definitely no small feat. Everybody that was involved in this project worked very, very hard and delivered on something pretty cool, I want to say. But anyway, please let me know what you think about this animation after you have watched it, and yeah, let's get started.
Some time has passed after the Tournament of Power, enough to weaken the power within those with good and those with evil concealed. But concealed it cannot remain, as our heroes meet at an impasse where the battle for redemption begins.
We fought so many battles together. You've gone from evil to good, and now you've given into that darkness again? Just for a chance! At a petty rematch!
You just don't get it! I'm the Prince of all Saiyans! You've managed to surpass me all along, no matter how much I train! You're always one step ahead of me, and I'm sick of it!
This surge of energy.
This is my chance to finally prove myself to you, Kakarot. And yes, even you, Father. I'm the strongest in the universe!
I see. Some things never change. I'll just have to snap you out of it then!
I will crush you!
I don't want to fight you like this. I just don't want to hurt you.
Hurt me, you say? You must be out of your mind! Yet you continue to mock me! Don't make me laugh!
Cheetah, you're making a huge mistake!
So tell me, Kakarot, what will you do if I don't stop right now?
Then it's your funeral!
Your history! Behind you! You are yesterday's news now! You hear me, Kakarot? What's this?
Kaioken! Times 10! Take this!
That's enough! Won't just stand here and take that! Final flash!
I got a little too hasty there. But he's got him really strong. No way that Kamehameha was enough to take him down. He'll be back any second, and I'll be ready. But if I take a Senzu Bean now, I should be fine. Here he comes! You're really strong, Vegeta.
So, you're finally taking me seriously?
You left me with no choice, Vegeta. I had to fight back a lot harder. But no more holding back.
You say that, but this is it! I will kill you! I swear it!
Do it.
Well, I'll stop you! Is he healing himself?
What's wrong, Kakarot? Afraid of my overwhelming power?
Huh?
So this animation actually spawned from one of the many fight scenes that I like to draw out in like notebooks, and I like to fill out notebooks filled with just like long fight scenes and stuff. So this was only part of one. I want to say that it was maybe 18% of one notebook. So it's not really even an entire notebook over here, and it still was a 12-minute long animation. So this thing took me months to be able to finish, of constant working almost every day. And I had to say that I am proud of the results here. I also wanted to say that if you are a patron, then you have been contributing towards this project as is already, and I very much appreciate that as is. Now, there is a special tier on Patreon where you actually get updates on this particular project, and I'm going to make those updates more frequent, as I am going to start work on this project again, probably around the middle of March or so, since I wanted to take a break from animating so much. But if you want to support this project directly, sharing it is actually a great way of doing that. Like if you want to share it on your own social media page, that would be absolutely amazing. Thank you. But if you wanted to support it directly too, then there is going to be a Patreon, all completely optional by all means. I just hope that you guys enjoyed this animation, and hey, even just a comment below is good enough for me. But the Patreon is going to be open, and if you would like to support it directly, then there is going to be that, as that is going to help me hire voice actors, as that is going to help me hire 3D modelers, and just like continue to be able to deliver on an even better product each time with each chapter that I release for this fight scene. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, this animation, and I will be seeing you all on the next tech review. So this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Until next time, enjoy.